we will enforce it. We will locate Senator Estrada and bring it to the fold of justice by arresting him. But there is also an effort. We have to understand there are other law enforcement agencies like the PNP, and I think I heard that RSILG already communicated something to Senator Estrada. So, tama naman, dalawa yung option niya, either he surrender voluntarily, just like what Senator Bong Revilla did, or hindi siya surrender, hindi siya sumuko, pupunta natin siya para arresto natin at ibigay ang restriction sa Sandigan Bayan. The question, there is a presumption, but if you will allow me, during our discussion, during the time when we were about to serve the warrant of arrest to Senator Bato, ang isang ginagawa nilang contention doon, hindi daw kasi local court yung ICC. Kung local court daw, papayag na mag-aresto eh. So, along that vein, along that line of argument, ibig sabihin, kahit nasa loob siya ng Senado, he will be arrested. And that will be a legal arrest because legal yung arrest niya. Just like what happened to Senator De Lima, Senator Trillanes, and Senator Enrile.